I got this headlights for my 2006 Chevy Silverado, and I got them off of eBay for like 65 something plus tax. It came up to like $72 and some cents. So on my description, I'm gonna put the link from the seller that I got it out from eBay, since it was a good deal. So this is exactly how it came. You can see right here, this is some very good packaging for its protection. So this is big foamy wrap right there. It's covered with some plastic, stick to the lens. My original ones have this black housing, this black plastic all around. This one right here, they also have it in chrome, but I like this, it look better. I don't know if the chrome with the heat of the lamp will like start peeling off or something, I have no idea, but I like this black housing all around. So this is for the top one. This is a 4-piece headlight set for 72 something with tax. Is a good ass deal, man. Can't go wrong. Clear lens, and it has that amber reflector on the side to give it that original looking style. And right here we got the other one in the top. You see the black housing all around, all protected. And right here in the middle we got this box right here that I already opened earlier, like I said, just to make sure everything's in here. Now this is the bottom one. So it has that bubble wrap. I'll show you when I install it. Yeah, you got the two bottom ones, and you got the two top ones. So I'm gonna take a picture of how it looks. The reason I bought these brand new was because my original ones from my Silverado are yellowish already. I tried to clean them, made them a difference. So it's 06, so it's been a few years already. So got these, like I said, for 72 something with $72 and some cents. So that was a good ass deal. So I'll get back to you with the before and after look. Peace.